Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this ceiling fan with lights for reviewing purposes. We have the instruction manual right here with all the important information on how to install it and how to connect it with the application, which I think that it's really nice. It's a really simple installation process as it is a flush mount ceiling fan, which I think that it's great. Okay, let's take it out of this bag. As you can see, it has a really beautiful white design. Okay, we have in here the remote control and the remote control base to install it whatever we want. Okay, the main unit, and we get every piece that we're gonna need to do the installation, which I think that it's really nice and it seems like an easy installation. So let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how it works. Okay, come on. Okay guys, as you can see, installing this ceiling fan is really easy. You just have to mount the base, hang the main unit, and then proceed to place all the proper screws in place, and I think that it looks amazing. It can be placed wherever you need, and I think that it's really nice because you can change the light temperature, brightness, and the different speeds, making it really versatile to place it in your bedroom, in your dining room, in your living room, wherever you want to place it. I think it's gonna look really beautiful. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think that it's really nice because with the remote control we can set it up from 6 different speeds. As you can see, it's a quite powerful motor. Okay, we want to set it up on 3. We can make it to go forward or reverse depending of the season. If it's too hot, we can set it forward, and if it's too cold, we can set it up on reverse. We can also change the temperature of the lights. You can see a warm white, a warm white, as you can see. We can also dim it up or brighten it up, changing the temperature a little bit more neutral, a cold white, and we can even set it up for a night mode, which I think that it's really nice. You can obviously change quickly with this button between the 3 temperatures, and I think that it's really easy to use. As you could see, it was really easy to install, and overall I think that it's really nice. It has a really nice functions, as a timing function, which I think that it's really nice, and overall I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.